sneaks up on his own kid. You're a dirty rat. Kiwi, you're no good. Huh? That's child abuse. Lola, don't let him get away with that. Don't let him get away with that, Lola. Go get Kiwi. Well, you sure are a pretty bird. Baloo, Baloo.